Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up some Hot Wheels 2020 Kroger exclusive recolors. I want to give a huge shout out to my buddy T&P HW Guide for helping me get this set. The 4 recolors are the 90 Acura NSX, the 67 Camaro, the Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon, and the TV series Batmobile. So the first car is a 90 Acura NSX. So this car is white, and needs some tampos on the side, a plain rims, and it says R right here on the top. And here's a regular version compared to the recolor. This was designed by Ryu Asada, and the red color is actually modeled after his actual real-life NSX. So the next car is a 67 Camaro. So this car is black with blue and red flames and then the red lines. And I actually think this combo goes really good with this car. And then here's a regular one. So definitely compared, I would definitely choose the recolor. Pretty much everyone that collects Hot Wheels knows about this car, and Larry Wood designed it. So the next car is a Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. Everyone's gonna want this one. So this car is yellow, and you can see the black stripe on the top, and then the arrow. And it says Momo. Has a Momo tampo right here too. And some tampos. Has a red around the wheels, the red on the side. It says Hot Wheels. And here's a regular version. I definitely prefer the regular version. I just think it goes a lot better with the black, yellow, and red than this one. This casting is a collector's favorite, but my favorite is probably the one from the 29th convention. So the last car is a TV series Batmobile. So this Batmobile is matte red. Then you can see the Batman symbol. Then on the top right here for the hood. Has some gray stripes. And here's a regular version. And I definitely prefer the classic version. We have seen this car so many times, including convention, mainline, and RLC. So my favorite car out of these 4 is a 67 Camaro. I just think it goes really well with the blue and red flames on the side, and with the black. These are in the P-Case mix for Kroger, and I think this is probably one of the best sets Kroger has had. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of these 4 recolors.